Welcome to Vishwas Genius Hub to explore the world of GK. Get ready for exciting Indian history quiz to test your knowledge. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for more videos. Let's dive in. Who fought the Battle of Haldighati? Akbar and Rana Pratap and Man Singh, Shivaji and Bijapur Sultan. Correct answer is Rana Pratap and Man Singh. This battle in 1576 was fought between Maharana Pratap of Mewar and Man Singh, a general of the Mughal Empire. This historic battle took place near Haldighati in Rajasthan and is remembered as a symbol of Rajput valor and resistance against Mughal domination. Who was the first Viceroy of India? Lord Curzon, Lord Mountbatten, Lord Canning. The correct answer is Lord Canning. He became the first Viceroy of India in 1858, following the British suppression of the 1857 revolt. Which Mughal emperor built the Taj Mahal? Akbar, Jahangir, Shah Jahan. The correct answer is Shah Jahan. He built the Taj Mahal in memory of his wife Mumtaz Begum, and it is considered one of the most beautiful architectural marvels in the world. Who is known as the father of the nation in India? Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhas Chandra Bose, Mahatma Gandhi. The correct answer is Mahatma Gandhi. Gandhi played a pivotal role in India's struggle for independence and is revered as the father of the nation for his philosophy of non-violence. Which city was the capital of British India before New Delhi? Kolkata, Bombay, Madras. The correct answer is Kolkata. The capital of British India was shifted from Kolkata, then Calcutta, to New Delhi in 1911 during the reign of King George V. Who was the first Indian to win a Nobel Prize? Rabindranath Tagore, C.V. Raman, Hargobind Khorana. The correct answer is Rabindranath Tagore. He won the Nobel Prize for Literature in 1913 for his collection of poems, Gitanjali, becoming the first non-European laureate. Which Gupta ruler is also known as the Napoleon of India? Chandragupta I, Chandragupta II, Samudragupta. The correct answer is Samudragupta. His military conquests earned him this title due to his brilliant strategies and expansive empire. Who started the Home Rule movement in India? Annie Besant, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, both. The correct answer is both of the above. Annie Besant and Bal Gangadhar Tilak started this movement to demand self-governance during British rule. The first Battle of Panipat was fought in which year? 1526, 1556, 1761. The correct answer is 1526. This battle marked the beginning of Mughal rule in India under Babur after defeating Ibrahim Lodi. This was one of the earliest battles involving gunpowder firearms and field artillery. Who was the architect of the Indian Constitution? B.R. Ambedkar, Jawaharlal Nehru, Rajendra Prasad. The correct answer is B.R. Ambedkar. As the chairman of the drafting committee, he played a pivotal role in framing the Indian Constitution. Who led the revolt in Kanpur during the 1857 uprising? Nana Sahib, Tantia Topei, Rani Lakshmibai. The correct answer is Nana Sahib Peshwa II, was the adopted son of Baji Rao II. He led the rebellion against British forces, as he was denied the pension and honours on the ground that he was not the natural born heir. Who wrote the patriotic song Vande Mataram? Rabindranath Tagore, Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, Sarojini Naidu. The correct answer is Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. This song from his novel Anandamath inspired the Indian freedom movement. Which ruler is credited with building the Grand Trunk Road? Ashoka, Sher Shah Suri, Akbar. The correct answer is Sher Shah Suri. He connected India's northern and eastern regions through this historic route. Who was the founder of the Chola dynasty? Vijayalaya Chola, Rajaraja Chola, Aditya Chola. The correct answer is Vijayalaya Chola. He established the Chola kingdom in Tamil Nadu during the 9th century by first expanding the Chola territory into the territory of the Pallavas. The Treaty of Alinagar was signed between which two parties? British and French, British and Nawab of Bengal, British and Marathas. The correct answer is British and Nawab of Bengal. In 1757, Siraj-ud-Dawla, the Nawab of Bengal, was forced to sign the treaty due to the threat of the Afghans and the military might of the English. Who was known as the Tiger of Mysore? Tipu Sultan, Hyder Ali, Krishnadevaraya. The correct answer is Tipu Sultan. He fiercely resisted British expansion in southern India and was a pioneer in using rockets in warfare. Who introduced the doctrine of lapse in India? Lord Dalhousie, Lord Curzon, Lord Wellesley. The correct answer is Lord Dalhousie. The doctrine of lapse stated that the East India Company would take over any province in the subsidiary alliance if the ruler died without a male heir. What was the capital of the Pallava dynasty? Kanchipuram, Thanjavur, Madurai. The correct answer is Kanchipuram. This ancient city was a center of learning and culture under the Pallavas. Founder of Pallava dynasty was Simhavishnu. Who was the ruler during the second battle of Tarain? Prithviraj Chauhan, Muhammad Ghori, both of the above. The correct answer is both of the above. It was the first battle that was officially fought between India's Hindu and Muslim community, resulting in Ghori's victory. Which Mughal ruler is known for the construction of Fatehpur Sikri? Akbar, Jahangir, Babur. The correct answer is Akbar. Fatehpur Sikri was built as capital of his Mughal empire and is famous for its Indo-Islamic architecture. However, it was later abandoned due to water scarcity. Who was the founder of the Vijayanagara Empire? Harihara and Bukka, Krishnadevaraya, Devaraya II. The correct answer is Harihara and Bukka. They established the empire in 1336 on the banks of the Tungabhadra river in present-day Karnataka. The Treaty of Bassein, 1802, was signed between the British and which Indian ruler? Baji Rao II, Tipu Sultan, Ranjit Singh. The correct answer is Baji Rao II. This treaty allowed the British to station their troops in Maratha territories, increasing their control over India. Which Sultan of Delhi shifted his capital from Delhi to Daulatabad? Muhammad bin Tughlaq, Alauddin Khilji, Balban. The correct answer is Muhammad bin Tughlaq. His decision, though ambitious, led to hardships and is considered a failed administrative experiment. Who founded the Arya Samaj in 1875? Swami Vivekananda, Swami Dayananda Saraswati, Raja Ram Mohan Roy. The correct answer is Swami Dayananda Saraswati. The Arya Samaj promoted Vedic knowledge and reforms against social evils like caste discrimination and child marriage. Who composed the Indian national song Sare Jahan Se Achha? Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, Rabindranath Tagore, Muhammad Iqbal. The correct answer is Muhammad Iqbal. This patriotic song beautifully expresses India's cultural pride and unity. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe for more amazing content. Let us know your thoughts in the comments, especially about the quiz questions. How many did you get right? Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.